Hey, how's everybody doing today? I wanted to talk a little bit today about just some quick tips on saving time and time management for your digital business or your online business, or even any business if you want to be an entrepreneur. Particularly if you're still working full-time and have a family, that really becomes a challenge. Hey David. We all experience the challenge of just not having enough time in the day. But what's funny is, how is it that we all have the same 24 hours a day, and some people are really successful and some really struggle? And it really comes down to time management and how we schedule our day. I have a young family. I work in the online marketing space, but I also still do work some outside the home. But when I started this venture, I work full time, and typically, 8 to 9 hours a day. And so some of the things that I learned when I was, trying to build my business. Hey, Craig. And I wanted to share some of those tips with you, because this is one of the biggest things that I hear from people, is that they don't have time to work an additional business. Well, it really comes down to how badly do you want it, because if you want it, you're going to find some time, you're going to figure it out. And what I found is, first of all, you have to stop telling yourself that you're busy. It really comes down to mindset. So do you want it? Because if you do, you got to stop telling yourself you're busy, and you got to find some time in your schedule. Hey, V, Adele, Talina, I hope everybody's having a great day. V, I did not know you were from Wisconsin. I'm actually from down south Wisconsin, just not that far out of Milwaukee, so it's funny. Anyways, we'll chat about that later. So you got to stop telling yourself you're busy. And the one thing that I really tell people, if you work full time and you have a family and you've got to do this every week, first of all, you have to get yourself a planner. And work your business. Hey, Theo, what's going on? You're going to work your business in the nooks and crannies of your day. 15 minutes before work. Do you have a lunch period? Do you get a break at work? All of those times are down times when you should be working your business. One thing I did was work my business after my kids went to bed, or while dinner was cooking. I'd come home from work and I'd start making dinner, but at the same time I would be working. I'd make a post. I'd respond to people who had messaged me earlier in the day. So that's the first thing. You gotta map out your week and find areas in your day where you can work your business. And they might only be 15 or 20-minute chunks, but you have to take advantage of that. How often do we find ourselves sitting on the couch at night? And that's time you should be working. And I understand you got to take some downtime. We all need to get away from, and just take a break. But you can do this in just a couple hours a day, but you've got to map it out. So that's the first tip I'm going to give you. If you are busy, map out your entire week. Get a planner. The second thing is videos work great. Ontarian, how's it going? Julio, make videos. I don't do enough of this. I need to do more videos, because people respond and respect you when they learn who you are as a person. And I know there's a lot of people who don't like to make videos, And one thing in this business is you've really got to get out of your comfort zone and just make videos. Nobody likes doing them at the beginning. Everybody feels stupid. I have sweatpants on today and my hair in a pony. I didn't even do my hair today. I don't care. But really, people want to know who you are. And sometimes I'll get people that will ask a lot of the same questions every day. I can make a quick video and send it out to multiple people and answer their questions. So video marketing is huge. Whether you do Facebook Lives or YouTube, but just connecting via video can be a huge time saver. Oh, and I had a whole list, but of course I didn't have it written down. What's the other thing I wanted to talk about today? And I left it on my desk in the house. It's hot. We've been having a lot of hot here weather in Wisconsin, so get a planner, make videos. Oh, the third thing is automate as much of your business as you can. So the one thing that I've really started utilizing in the last couple of months, and a lot of our team members are using this, is automating Facebook. I can add a ton of friends at a time. I can message a lot of people at one time. Autoresponders, I can send out hundreds and thousands of emails at one time. Get some tools to automate your business. That's really, really going to cut down on the time that you spend every day working your business. Again, especially if you work full-time and have a family, you need to automate as much as you can. If you're not using this fabulous Facebook tool, reach out to me and let me know. I'll get you the link. It is amazing. And automate your business. Also have a plan for the day. So we talked about setting your schedule and finding 15 or 20 minutes, but you also want to plan out what are you going to do during that time. And you want to have a blueprint for your day. Partner with somebody who has a blueprint. My team has a blueprint. I use a blueprint every single day. And I would be willing to share it with you if you were a member of my team. But that really does help. So I know what exactly I need to do on a daily basis. Hey, Kevin. Oh, hi, Denise. I need to know what I need to do every single day. So that all of a sudden I have my 15-minute break at work. Well, what am I going to do now? That really does help as well. So reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help, whether you're on my team or not. And of course, if you want to learn a little bit more about some of the things that I'm doing, Ryan, what's going on, shoot me a message. You can ask questions how I'm automating things and how I plan out my week. But if you really, really want to be an entrepreneur and maybe you want to supplement your income or even quit your job, you have to find the time. And at the beginning, it's going to be really challenging until you get yourself into a schedule. And that's going to be the biggest thing I can tell you is map out your week and find the time in the nooks and crannies of your day and just make it happen. Only you can make it happen. So with that, I hope you have a great afternoon and I look forward to chatting with you all soon. Take care.